How to make a Gantt chart on Monday. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video right now. So what you want to do is go to your workspace, and over here you want to click on add view right there, and here you can see Gantt just like that. So you're going to click on there, and this will show up right here like this. Now I already have a couple items over here. Normally I think it's set on days, so now it's in per hour, but you can also change this to weeks and even months. Now normally you might not have a lot of stuff over here, because that might be because there's no dates set to your task. So let's say I would add a task over here, set a date to the 31st of December, like that, and then go to the Gantt chart, scroll a bit down. Then now, because it's set on months, you can over here see December 31st, but if it's set on weeks, you cannot see it, right? So that's kind of it, to be honest. This is how you can add it. And yeah, over here you can scroll like that. You can also click on, where you can scroll. You can also click on auto fit so you can see everything. And yeah, that's kind of it. So that's how you can make one. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.